What is going on, guys? Next Level Gaming here, and this is the start of a new vlog. Yep, that's right. So yeah, I moved. I used to live around Boston, but today we are going to an awesome place called Boston. Yeah, I'm going on a boat. I'm going on a bunch of other places. And guess what? You guys all get to see it. Oh yeah, and I'm also driving in a car. That's the best part. See you later. Hello guys. We're at UMass Boston. As you can see, beautiful place. Just about to get on the boat. Be seeing you. Let's go. Hello guys. Look at the beautiful view. Oh my god. Never too late to be thinking about college, you know? Beautiful place. We're about to enter the building. Yeah, see you guys. The temptation to run onto the boat is strong, but I'm holding back. Oh my goodness. She's a beauty. And we are at UMass because this lovely man works here. My dad. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. What a boat. Okay. Haven't been on many in my life. Okay, gotta turn it off. Bye.
Coast Guard certifies us to carry 110 passengers. With that, we carry a full complement of safety equipment, of which life jackets are located in the main cabin, the one on the right. Should they be needed? That's right. Towards the overhead compartment. We have an upper deck limit of 36 passengers, which is strictly enforced. So don't be offended if you're asked to step down below if we go over the number on the top side.
We are moving.
Restroom on the main level as you go on the left, and the operating instructions are on the bulkhead. We don't throw anything over the side of the vessel. It's a no discharge area in Boston Harbor. We have waste receptacles on the upper and lower deck for your convenience.
He's a lawyer, right?
The area we're passing through now is a very shallow, shoaly area called Savin Hill Cove. Savin Hill Cove is formed by...
Okay, guys, the camera might be a bit blurry. Just coming off the nice boat. And, yeah, nice place. And, yeah, be seeing you. Going out for lunch right now. I'll see you there. Guys, modern day classroom. Have the screen down. What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is where I want to be. Hey guys, exiting UMass Boston. Thank you so much, person. I don't know.
My person?
Yeah,
to
you're
you.
a person.
Okay.
You're my day. You're my day. You're my day. And yeah, no, it's not the end of the vlog at all. No, there's still more. There's still more. Well, be seeing you. Hey guys, just about to see Fenway Park, and we're stopping back for lunch as well. See ya there.
I mean, this strawberry one is really good.
Hey guys, look at this food. This beautiful, beautiful pig. Well guys, I'm gonna chow down, and I'll see what I'm doing. Well guys, I'm not sure if you can see me, but after exiting lunch, we decided to pass by Fenway Park. I wasn't able to show it to you, sorry guys. And yeah, basically from there, we just went to family, And yeah, right now, just coming home from that. As you can see, just in the tunnels. And as you can see, here is the beautiful city of Boston.